Alright, so here's how you can turn any product photo, literally any product, into a cinematic ad quality video for free in under 5 minutes. No camera, no studio, no editing skills, just one photo. For someone who's doing dropshipping or running a small product business or managing social media for a product brand, or you want to sell AI product ad videos as a service on Fiverr and you just need good quality product content really fast, this video is going to solve your biggest headache. So I tested this tool called LuxReal AI with 10 completely random products, a cola bottle, a lipstick brand, a smartwatch, even a pizza brand, and every single one of these videos you are looking at right now are 100% AI generated. From a single photo, I did not even give any prompt. So stick with me to the very end because I'm going to show you not just how to create such videos, but also how to turn any one of these videos into 15 pieces of ready to post viral content for any social media platform. So here's the thing, right? If you sell anything online, doesn't matter if it's on Amazon, Shopify, Instagram, Meesho, wherever, you already know that your product video is what makes people stop scrolling and actually buy. That's just how it works today. But the problem is that getting a good product video is really painful, expensive, and looks too difficult to create. You either spend a fortune hiring a studio and a whole crew, or you try to shoot it yourself and it looks, well, let's be honest, it looks like you shot it yourself. So I have tested a lot of AI video tools, like a lot. Most of them are great for creative AI art, abstract stuff, and cool looking visuals. But the second you try to use them for an actual product, the logo melts, the shape warps, the bottle turns into some weird alien thing halfway through. It's not usable. You can't put that on a product listing. But when I found this tool called LuxReal that's built specially for an e-commerce product videos and not general AI art, I was like, okay, this is something I need to test properly. So for you all, I spent my whole Saturday and tested it with 10 real products. So let me walk you through exactly what happened. For the example, I'm going to use a hot sauce bottle. Step 1. You upload one product image, that's it, just one photo. It can be a white background photo, the kind you would take for an Amazon listing, nothing fancy. Step 2. And this is the part that surprised me the most. This AI tool actually looks at your product and figures out what it is. It understands the shape, the materials, the vibe. You don't need to write any complicated prompts because it automatically generates a prompt for you on a single click. You can select the resolution and aspect ratio and hit generate. Step 3. On the next screen, this AI tool will design all the scenes around it and plans the camera movement. You can also add any custom scene if you want by adding a simple prompt and move on to the next screen. Step 4. Now select the background music, narration voice, and review all the generated shots. And in just a few minutes, you get back a video that honestly looks like it came out from an advertising agency.
To bring you the ultimate heat.
Feel the heat.
Crafted with precision and bottled at a peak of freshness.
Bringing the fire to every single bite.
You can finally hit export video and it's ready for posting. Now I know how easy that sounds. Every AI tool says that. So instead of just telling you, let me show you all 10 products that I tried this tool on. And you tell me in the comments which one you think turned out the best. Okay, so here's what I did. I picked 10 products from completely different categories, things that any regular seller or small brand would actually need videos for. I took the most basic photos I could and ran every single one through LuxReal. So stick with me till the end because you will be surprised to see what this tool has created. Starting with a Bluetooth speaker because this is a great test. You have got mesh fabric, metallic accents, maybe some LED indicators, all on a compact little product. A lot of AI tools struggle with these mixed textures, but look at this. If I was selling speakers on Amazon and needed a hero video for my listing, this is exactly what I would want. Alright, next is a cola drink. Simple product, but look at what AI did with it. This looks like something you would see on TV during an IPL break. The label is perfectly readable, the cap is intact, nothing is distorted. For a beverage brand, this is gold. Now let's try something completely different, a honey glass jar. And this is where things get really interesting because glass and liquid are two of the hardest things for AI to get right. But look at the scene AI created for this. It has this earthy organic vibe that makes you want to buy it immediately. For any product or organic brand, this is the kind of visual that builds trust. Okay, moving on to a perfume bottle, and this one might be my favorite visually. Glass bottle, liquid inside, reflective cap. This is the kind of product that even real photographers struggle with because of all the reflections. But this AI tool created a moody luxury fragrance ad vibe that just looks so premium. If you are a perfume brand and you're not using it? What are you even doing? Alright, let's switch to our next product, protein bar. This is FMCG, fast moving consumer goods. These brands create a lot of content for social media, and the fact that you can go from a flat product photo to this in just a few minutes, I'm truly sold out here. This can be a game changer if you are into selling FMCG product. Now next one is interesting because it's the most boring product on my list, which is a toothpaste. If LuxReal can make toothpaste look premium, it can make anything look premium. And yeah, it did. See the ad it created yourself for a toothpaste brand. Next is a massage gun. The mix of metallic and matte textures came through really nicely, and the AI gave it this clean wellness type vibe which completely fits the product category. I could see this going straight into an Amazon listing without any edits. Alright, now this one. Pay attention because this is the one that actually surprised me the most. It's a dishwashing gel. A simple, maybe a 50 rupee product that sits next to your kitchen sink. But look at what LuxReal did with it. The camera angle, the lighting, the setting, it made this little bottle of dish gel look like a premium home care brand. It's not the product that changed, it's the way it got presented. Okay, two more to go. Next one is lipstick. It's the most amazing business category, and businesses usually spend fortunes for shooting ads for such products. But the ad LuxReal has built looks so elegant, professional, and truly gives a beauty ad feel, all by using a single photo. And finally, the last product on my list is a pizza brand, because after testing this tool for the whole day, I am feeling really hungry. Now, I was genuinely curious about this one because food is tricky. You need it to look warm, fresh, appetizing, and AI usually makes food look either too plasticky or too weird. But honestly, this looks delicious. The cheese looks melty, the crust has texture, and the scene has this warm, cozy, order now kind of energy. If you are running a cloud kitchen or a pizza brand and need quick social media content, this has the potential to double your sales. Alright, so here's my honest take after running all 10 of these. The videos look good, right? That's expected. A lot of AI tools can make things look pretty. But what actually impressed me and what I think makes this tool genuinely different is that the product stayed consistent throughout every camera movement. Every angle changed, the shape didn't change, the logos didn't melt, the textures didn't turn into some AI mush. And that is the thing that actually matters for commercial use. See, there's a huge difference between this looks cool as an AI experiment and I can actually put this on an Amazon listing and it will help me sell more. Most AI video tools nail the first thing but completely fail at the second one. LuxReal is built for the second one, and that's why I think it's worth paying attention to. And the zero prompting thing, it's real. I didn't write a single complicated prompt for any of these. I just uploaded a photo and the AI handled the scene, the lighting, the camera movement, everything. Okay, so remember at the beginning I told you I would show you how to turn one video into 15 pieces of content? Here's exactly how you can do it. Take one photo, let's say lipstick, run it through LuxReal 3 times. Each time you will get a different scene, different lightings, different camera angles. So now you have got 3 unique cinematic videos from one photo. Now open CapCut or any other editor you have on your phone. Take each video and do these 5 things. Number 1, export the original landscape video as is. That's your YouTube ad or product page video. Step 2, crop it to 9:16 vertical. That's your Instagram reel and YouTube short. Number 3, add a bold text overlay with your product name and price. That's your Instagram story. Number 4, trim just the best 2-second loop and export it as a GIF. That's your WhatsApp catalog or website banner. Number 5, screenshot the best frame. That's your static product image for listings or thumbnails. So that's 3 videos, 5 formats each, 15 pieces of ready to post content from a single product photo. And the whole thing takes maybe 30 minutes. That's a full week of product content done for you. If you sell products online and want to see what AI can actually do for e-commerce right now, go try LuxReal AI. Link is in the description. They get you free credits when you sign up so you can test it with your own products and see the results yourself. And let me know in the comments which video do you think turned out the best. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button. It genuinely motivates me to create such useful content for you all. And if you are into AI tools and tech, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more amazing videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep watching Tech with Nandini.